Hello there everyone. I hope y'all are having a great day today and thank you for clicking on this video. So I have 3 new dies in the shop and they have been so much fun for me. So the first one I'm going to show you is the Mini Dex card. So now this one is scalloped all the way around the edge except of course for the bottom, and it has a layering piece that will go over your main piece, the scalloped one, and then it's got these cute little tabs. Oh my gosh, those are so adorable. So this one is about 3 1/4 by 3. It's got the little holes at the bottom and it is so adorable. I've already played with mine and I have made a project with it. I'm going to show you one of the Memory Dex cards that I made with it. So this one's so adorable. I really did enjoy playing with this one. And then the next one is the A Shorts mini album, and it is quite a good size. So this one is almost 6 inches. It's 5 7/8 wide by 4 7/8 tall. And this is your main piece right here. And this is your front layering. And on the back, it gives you all the pieces you need to make it into boy shorts or girl shorts. The first one that I made are girl shorts. So I'm going to show you that in a little bit here. Here's her little bow and her belt. And, you know, these right here are the cuffs for the bottom and then for the girl. And then this one's for the boy. These are belt loops. This one's the boy belt. And then this one is the back piece, the inside back piece. And I'll show you that in a second as well. So this one has been so much fun for me. And so it's a 2-in-1. You can make it for a boy or a girl. So you get 2 sets in one. So I thought that was pretty neat. Now, I think Nicole did an amazing job with this die. She made it for a boy or a girl, and I thought that was fantastic. Now this one, guys, this one I have been playing with for a few months now because I had it made a few months ago. And this, what it does is it will make a box. It is the outer piece to make a box or a bag, and it comes in 2 sizes. So the overall die is 8 inches. This one is 2 5/8 wide from one end to the other. And this one is 8 inches by 3 1/8. Now it does come with a layering piece in the center, and I love that. And I have an example to show you as well. Guys, you know, I rarely say this, but this is a must-have in your dies. This will create any bag or box without you having to sit there and cut out the little notches, and the plus is that it's got a layering piece right built with it, so you can layer your outer piece, and you know that you've got a straight piece to glue on to your box or bag, whatever you choose to make it. So, and that one, this is a 4-piece die. So let me show you what I have made with these dies. So the first one I'm going to show you is I'm going to give you an example on the border. So this is a little egg container that I made with the wooden egg pieces that I had bought at Dollar Tree. So this is the front. This is the back, and this is the side. I made that with this border die. So all I did was cut it out and glue it down, and that is what makes your borders. It has a stitching detail on the edge of the matte piece, your layering piece. And actually this one I didn't have to cut down or anything. It was the perfect size. And it probably will be for most of your projects. The only thing I did was cut down this tab right here. And that tab is there so that if you need to make it longer, you have a connection piece. All I did was cut that down and or cut it off, and I had my border around my egg to make a box. Super, super easy to use. I mean, I didn't have to worry about cutting out notches, scoring anything. It was ready to go. So this is, like I said, a really, really good one to have in your die sets with your dies. I cannot recommend it enough. I've been using it for a few months and I've used it quite a bit. So yeah, that one I have reached for quite a few times. Now the next one I'm going to show you is the mini memory dex card, and oh my gosh guys, this is so stinking cute. This is part of a design team project, which I will show you sometime this month. I didn't share the news with you guys, but I am part of a design team, and this is part of the paper collection that I did get from that design team. So it is so cute, guys. They are so fast to put together because they are so tiny, but they turn out so adorable. So I just love this little die. It is so adorable. I mean, I just love it. I mean, what can I say? I love it. I love the stitching detail around the mat. Now this mat is the inside layer, and I put it back here so that it would be, you know, stronger. And it is super strong. It's not, it's super thick. And yeah, so I made that little memory dex card with this die. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is the shorts die. I made a girl mini album with the shorts die, and oh, I love it. Here is my mini album, guys. I used my favorite collection by Mente, and that collection is called Glam Rock. And I know that I shared some projects with it, I think it was 2 years ago, and then I bought a paper pack of the collection to hoard, and I thought, you know what, this would be perfect for the shorts. So I paired it with the metallic fuchsia colored cardstock, and I love it. Okay guys, so this one has the front, the back, and then it's got 4 pages in the center. So this is the front of the shorts. Now your shorts do not cut out this way. I just chose to make it kind of look ripped, so I made some holes in it and put that beautiful paper on the back side. And that little piece that I said I would show you what it was, which is this one right here, that one is the back, the inside of your shorts, because if you hold your pants or shorts up, you can see the inside band. That's what that piece is. And this is her belt, and the little belt pieces go right here, and I just put some bling on there. This is her bow, for, you know, that she's obviously wearing a fabric belt. At least that's what it looks like to me. And then I put a flower in the center, and these are the cuffs that go at the bottom. So for the boy cuffs, you would just cut this one out twice, and then you would glue it down at the bottom. I mean, if you want your boy shorts to be nice and tidy, you could also use these. So remember guys, your dies are made in your own style, so it's up to you. This is just the way I did mine. Then I put a little flower here. I made a little flower with the paper collection, put a gold leaf on here. And so that is the front of the shorts. One thing that I like about this is that, you know, really it'll stand up on its own. You can put it on a tabletop and it just looks so adorable. When I make the boy shorts, I'm going to bring you along for the process and show you how I made my shorts with the gusset. I didn't want to poke holes in mine, so I went ahead and made mine with a gusset. So opening the first page, here's the first page. This little frame is from the armchair die, so I just went ahead and put it on, cut it out with the paper collection, put it on here, and I did cut out, I have a small punch with stars on there, and since the collection does have stars, which I cut these two out, I went ahead and pulled out that punch and just sprinkled it with stars throughout. So a little picture would go right there. And what I tried to do, honestly guys, since it does open upside down, I tried to make it less visible. If I put a picture on there, you can't really even tell. You're not focused on the fact that this is upside down. So that's what I aimed for. And on this side, you know me guys, I stickled everything up. So I made some more flowers here. I put a little cluster of flowers with gold leaves. I stickled that. And I did use flat back pearls throughout because I think the pearls go perfect with this collection. So this page, I just cut out the shorts and then I cut it in half and I made a pocket out of it. Again, flowers, and then I stickled the little hat and I used more stars. And then this one has a little booklet for some pictures, and it opens that way. So you can actually, you can do 3 pictures, and if you want to cover that up, you can do a 4th. And then really you can put another picture right there. This one, guys, actually holds a lot of pictures. So there's that little pocket with that pearl trim. And then the next page is a little tuck spot. And see how I try to just cover the fact that these are upside down? You really don't focus on that. So this is one of the cut aparts. And then I made another small booklet. And then that one just tucks right in there. Like that. And then this page, I just made her shorts with a different belt. I stickled it. I put pearls at the bottom. And this one, you can put a whole picture right there on this one. There are the belt loops. These are in the fuchsia pink, the mirrored cardstock. And I just love the way that looks with the pattern paper on there. And then the next page is my twin page. I cut out, again, a pair of shorts, and then I cut it in half. And this right here is the back of this page right here. So again, I just made 2 small pockets, and I made 2 picture mats. And all I did was, you know, again, I just used these were actually scraps, and I just glued a couple of strips. And you can you can use this for a photo, this one and this one. So each page will hold up to 3 if you choose. And then here's the other one on this side. Like I said, it mimics they mimic each other, my twin pages. And then this one goes right back in there. Like that. And I made another flower with some leaves, and I stickled everything up, and I put some a row of pearls right there. And then the next page, I made a small belly band. And again, here's the stars. I made a small belly band. And this is the, you know, the little label at the bottom, the strip that we always cut off. So I went ahead and cut that off, and it says Glam Rock, which is the name of the collection. And I made a booklet for this one as well. This was another cut apart. This one is the 3x4 card, and I just cut out the image and I glued it on the cardstock. And this one is a booklet as well. So quite a few photos fit on that one. You can actually put one right here as well. So here is that one, and I really do love the way that turned out. I really love that. Again, it's my favorite collection, so I stickled Glam Rock on there, and I just love this, the way that looks, because again, I guess it's because it's my favorite collection. And this one, guys, this right here, this little tab right here is the belt loop from the shorts. This one right here. So I made a little tab out of the belt loop, and you pull the tab down and open this up You can put a photo there, a photo here, open it up again, photo, photo. You know, so it holds quite a few of them. It holds 5 photos, 3, 4, 5, if you choose to cover the front. So then it just closes back up that way. You swing your tab that way, and it stays closed that way. I love that image of the rose. I love that color in that rose. So that's why I made it my focal point. So that is this page. And then on the last page, again, I just cut out this image right here is from the cut apart page. And on this one, I made a small waterfall. I didn't think it was possible. I said, let me give it a try and see if it's possible. Well, guys, it's possible. So what size are these? Let me see, 4 by 3. 4 by 3, 2 7/8 maybe. But anyway, so I made a waterfall, and this one just I just put some Velcro on the back to close this right here, and you open it up this way. All I did was, again, use scraps and made the little borders for each page. It's got 4 pages. So on the inside, I didn't do anything because I wanted, you know, enough space for a larger picture. So here's the front, and each page opens up, so you can put 2 photos on each page that way. And then there's the last one, and the last one really just covers up the mechanics of the waterfall. So I thought that one turned out good because you can actually put a photo right there as well. Then you close it up, closes up with Velcro. And then on this page again, I made her her shorts. This one is another small booklet, and it opens this way. And there's the guitar with the roses. And this is the last page. All I did with this one was I made her shorts, and then I just didn't glue the cuffs all the way down so that I could flip, so I can slip this right in there. So you can put photos on the mat, and then you can actually put a photo right there as well. So now that I've gone through the mini album, I want you to see that, did you guys focus on the fact that the shorts were upside down? Let me know in the comments if you actually, after I mentioned it, did you focus on that, or did you focus on what was on the page? I tried to make it to where you would focus what was on the page, and I think I accomplished that. I really do. So there is my mini album, my girl mini album. So my boy mini album, when I make the boy mini album, guys, I'm going to try to make it flip to the side versus up. Although I do like the fact that it will stand up, and you can put it on a table or something, and it'll stand up. So I just love this, and I hope you guys loved it as much as I loved making it for you. And there we go. These are the 3 dies that are in the shop that are brand new. There we go. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.